Today I will show you how to deal with complex tables in testRigor. testRigor makes it exceptionally easy to test even very complicated tables, regardless how we managed and render it. Alright, so let's start from this page, and basically this is a UI grid for Angular, and let's find a table and let's test it. So specifically, let's do this complex grouping. Let's basically do exactly that. Let's create a test case on testRigor and say click complex grouping. Stable tests. Alright, so we did that. What's next? Somewhere on this page is a table. Let's scroll down. So I want to work today, this is a table, I want to work today with this table, and I want to make sure that this element is visible. So let's do exactly that. Scroll down until page contains West Virginia. Very easy. Now we got it scrolled down, and I want to make things a little bit more complex, and I want to expand the row and validate the sub-row for it. So what I want to do is I want to click plus icon on the left of West Virginia. There's a little bit of a trick here. So most of the icons you can think of are supported out of the box by testRigor. You do not have to do anything in order to be able to refer to those icons by names, because we are automatically classified based on machine learning. So all we need to do in this case is to say click plus on the left of West Virginia. You'll do exactly that. Click plus the left of West Virginia. That should be good enough. And now what we want to do is we want to validate the balance, and we want to validate balance for females. So we want to check that the balance for female is this, and let's do exactly that. Check that table at row containing female and column balance average contains this. That should be good to go. Let's click it and run. Expand it. And what's going on is testRigor starts the server, starts new browser, opens the page in that browser, waits until this page is loaded, and then execute your instructions, emulating a human interacting with the browser. So in this case, it scrolled down to this element, you clicked on this plus on the left of West Virginia, and it validated this number on the left of female and below balance, and highlighted it to make sure we can visually assess if that's the right value that we are validating. In this particular case, this is exactly what we want. So this is how it's easy to build tests involving exceptionally complex tables on testRigor. And let's do one more thing and check how it is rendered. if we inspect this element, we will see that it is not a table. It is actually a set of divs that is rendered to mimic how table look. Nevertheless, testRigor was able to easily work with the structure and was able to help you easily to validate your complex assertions. Thank you very much.